Well, the menu tonight is chips. We're on chips, and we're also on chicken burgers as well. So it's a little bit healthy. I've been wanting to come to Sightside for a long time. It's a fun looking site. It's big. It's definitely a big one. So £31 for the night. £31 for the night, which is probably standard rate, I would say, in the Lake District.